Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday, the 26th of July, and we are now here again at the Samar Island Davao City Connector Bridge, which you can see here. Yeah, we are here now at the Samar Island side. Here is this roundabout going to be. Yes, there's a circums road. Here's the actual bridge. And here is the other side in Davao City. That's the junction GP Laurel and A Castillo. So here you can see the whole layout. And here you see the remarks. So there's a construction area. Here you see what's going on. Yeah, in fact, there you see the ram, which is going to post the poles inside. There are in fact some activities now. And here on the other side you see Davao City. So there are some more postings. And there's also a ship is going to get this done. Thank you very much for watching.